So we got the story about the San Pellegrino water, where it comes from. Now, it doesn't come from this river. However, this river comes from the same place where they get the water. So it kind of comes from the same river, just not here. More from up there somewhere. And the bubbles don't come from the mountains. The bubbles come, they put the bubbles in there. One bubble at a time. It's a very intensive process. It's done by blind nuns because they don't want the nuns to know how they do it. But this is a cool river. It looks so refreshing. Like, I want to drink from it. And I want to walk in it. It's like greenish, bluish. I know it looks like it on the camera, but it actually is like, it's extra refreshing. I think that's why the bottles are the color that the bottles are. I mean, look at that.